Hi, this is Northern Finship I channel. We are here at Loftus Stadium, Community Sundowns North, Pyramid North. Brother, how do you feel about the game, man?
I'm not feeling very well because if you see that game,
Yeah.
it was tough, but I know very well that Rulani must make sure that next time when the game is started,
Yeah.
you must start with Sereno. We want Sereno there.
Yeah.
My brother, you see them tired, we draw. This is tough.
Yeah.
This is tough, my brother. Thanks a lot.
So do you think if Serena was there, you were gonna win the game?
100% sure. You know, and even the substitute good, it was late that time.
Yeah.
It was late, my brother. No. That I know very well that Rulani was coming. I know very well that you are making things very, very good, but today I'm so down, my brother.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
so down.
So do you think when you go outside the country to play in like some in around Africa in the second round, do you think you're gonna win those games?
Let's be honest, my brother. I know very well that Sundowns will come again. We will go there to that team. What the name? Pyramid. But we make it sure that we can beat it 3-0 at a place. Away game.
So who do you think gonna score those goals?
I think Sereno. The first goal. I know it's not. Yeah, Sereno is my man, my brother.
Yeah.
Sereno and Trumbo, and then Shamilile, the best man. The best man, my brother.
No, thank you very much, my brother.